democracy, the leader of opposition and the opposition parties talk to the media. Rahul Gandhi has broken the tradition. He's boycotted journalists through a list that he put out. You know, that is also a tradition broken. There is a tradition broken because in the last 1 year, in the last 12 months alone, and I put out those visuals, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has met at least 5 heads of states, except some were met by Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Sonia Gandhi ji. Maybe Rahul Gandhi, I can't recall, but maybe he was traveling out of the country, but the others met. In this case, it's a 30-hour visit. Maybe the visiting dignitary did not ask for a time or did not have the time for a separate meeting, but to label that the BJP government and the Prime Minister's insecure, is that really a real, or is this just FOMO, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi?
It was Pandit Nehru who built a strong relationship with USSR. I mean, everybody is aware of Mrs. Gandhi's role, Rajiv Gandhi's role.
Navika ji,
known to the Russian establishment.
Sanjay Jha.
No, we know that how strong relationship with USSR and under what conditions it was there. So the documents of the various intelligence agencies which has now been declassified, that gives eco ho raha, jara isko theek karwa dijiye. That gives a very clear picture that on what basis you were having which type of good relationship. Right now I do not want to go into that. I just want to say a clear-cut thing. Whenever a foreign dignitary comes, it is up to them also to decide that whom they want to meet and whom they do not want to meet. Rahul Gandhi has met several foreign dignitaries, head of the states, when they come on the visit from Malaysia to Mauritius, Bangladesh, Vietnam in the previous years. And as far as the present meeting is concerned, since Mr. Putin is on a very short and precise and crisp visit, so it's not just the domain of the Indian government to decide, but it is the domain of the Russian government also to decide. And as far as, if you consider the role of the Indian government as very much prominent and you call about the tradition, so I would like to say that Indian government is very much concerned about the protection, not the insecurity, the security of the Rahul Gandhi's image. Because you know, when he met Barack Obama during the visit of Barack Obama visit during Manmohan Singh ji's government in 2010, what Obama has written in his book, The Promised Land, that Rahul Gandhi seems like a nervous student who wants to show off that he knows very much, but he is unable to, he wants to show that he has mastered something which he is not able to understand. भाई साहब ये जाके रख लीजिएगा. And if you go, anybody of you can go and search on net also. Most likely it is somewhere around page number 24 to 25. Barack Obama's book, The Promised Land. So we do not want that when the American president had got this type of impression with Rahul Gandhi ji, the Russian president also has. We want to protect the image of Rahul Gandhi. But unfortunately, you are saying that Rahul ji should be allowed to meet. Why not Mallikarjun Kharge? He is also leader of the opposition of the upper house and also the president of the Congress party, much senior than Rahul Gandhi, held several positions much more than Rahul Gandhi. And also I would like to ask, in the previous Lok Sabha, when Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary was leader of the opposition, how many times Congress asked that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary should be allowed to visit when Putin visited in 2021 and others and this and that? And second thing, you talk about traditions, so with due humility, I would like to ask, can you quote a single leader of the opposition in the entire independence history of India who has got so many times abroad and so many times abused on non-factual basis is the government of India? Can you quote a single leader of the opposition whose statement has been quoted by enemy country in their favor and against India on a very crucial hour? Like Pakistan has quoted Rahul Gandhi's statement when they have given their dossier to United Nations against India. And as far as tradition is concerned, Sanjay Jha ji, then again I would like to ask, in what capacity Rahul Gandhi met Barack Obama in 2010? He was just a member of parliament. He met Hillary Clinton in 2008. He was first time member of parliament, junior most member of parliament. In what capacity he met? He was neither the president, nor the minister, nor any rank. And as far as tradition, have you seen any time in the Indian constitutional history that a post has been created, National Advisory Council, and the chairman, Sonia Gandhi ji, at the rank of cabinet. And whenever a foreign dignitary was coming, they were meeting NAC chairman first and giving more importance to cabinet rank committee chairman than to the prime minister of the country. Sir, you have destroyed, destructed, demeaned all the traditions of India's parliamentary democracy. And lastly, I would like to say, sir, you are talking about insecurity, sincerity. Can you quote single leader of the opposition जिसका कभी आपने ऐसा वीडियो देखा हो जो पिछली लोकसभा में दिखा था कि राहुल गांधी जी जाके पहले प्रधानमंत्री जी पे गिर पड़े थे, मतलब गले मिले थे, गिर पड़े थे, ये देखने वाले को समझ में आएगा। फिर उन्होंने कुर्सी पे बैठ के आके जो अखियों से गोली मारे वाला रिएक्शन किया था, ऐसा कोई लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन आपको ध्यान है? फ्रॉम नेहरूज एरा टिल वाजपेयी एरा टिल मनमोहन सिंह जी एरा, कृपया बता दीजिए। ड्यूरिंग द वक्फ बोर्ड टाइम इन द नाइट, हम सब लोग वहां 2:30-3 बजे रात तक थे। सर, वो स्लीपिंग सूट वाला पैजामा पहन के पार्लियामेंट में आने वाला एक लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन बता दीजिएगा, और एक और लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन बता दीजिएगा जो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट की मिमिक्री हो रही हो ऑन द स्टेयर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट और उसका वीडियो बना रहे हो। तो मुझे लगता है व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट ट्रेडिशन, इट इज अप टू यू टू लिव अप विद द ग्रेविटास of the constitutional post and then call. That's why I say the one word, respect is not just demanded, it is also commanded, and it is commanded by your actions, and government is fully sensitive.
Respect cannot be demanded, it has to be commanded.